Hello everyone, Tina Spalding Trance Channel here. This is a promotional message for our 10th anniversary event coming up this Sunday. Not tomorrow, but the day after. September 18th from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Pacific time zone. We are going to have 8 different channelers channeling who have either been inspired or affected by Jesus and Ananda's teachings or A Course in Miracles. Some of these are new channelers, some of these are experienced channelers. You're going to get a great variety. Some are channeling extraterrestrials, some are channeling Jesus, some are channeling I don't know who. I haven't seen all of these channelers. Some are writing, and they will be reading their channel writing. So anyway, it's going to be a very, very exciting day, and we'd love as many of you as possible to join us. The link will be in the description box below, and of course, 10 years. I never dreamt when I had my Kundalini awakening 10 years ago that I would be channeling or have the community I have or the thousands of videos that I've done. If you had told me that my life would look like it does today, I would not have believed you, and in fact may have been too intimidated to continue. So I want to encourage all of you to keep going with your Course in Miracles practice, your forgiveness practice. Sometimes it can seem very daunting to be going through all of this internal clarification. But I can tell you that the effects of A Course in Miracles on your life are more than anything else you can do. It is the most powerful mind training program, and the work that I've shared on YouTube and the many videos that are available in my membership community are a testament to the effect of A Course in Miracles. That is the sole reason that I'm able to do what I do, and that all of this information has come to you. So do not give up on A Course in Miracles. If you've been floundering, or if you've found the text too difficult, do the lessons, do your forgiveness practice. Remember that your judgment of others is what keeps the separation alive and going. Your fears are self-created. You don't have to suffer. These are all things that you can learn from A Course in Miracles. And so that's why I'm doing a 10th anniversary event, to show you the effect that A Course in Miracles has had on so many lives. And of course, this is just a handful of people who have begun to channel. But that does not include all of the people who have gone from being sad and depressed to happy and productive and living their best life. In these challenging times, A Course in Miracles is the biggest gift you can give to yourself. But do consider joining us September 18th, 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, Daylight Time, not sure, 10 o'clock Pacific. You will receive a recording, a video recording of the event with your registration. Post-event, there will only be audio recordings available. There won't be any video recordings available. So if you'd like to see the people, see their faces, see our expressions, and join in the appreciation for Jesus and Ananda and A Course in Miracles, sign up today and join us next Sunday for this 10th anniversary event. I'll see you then. Bye-bye.